Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to measure leaf area using Photoshop. This is an inexpensive and non-destructive method of estimating leaf area. First, open Photoshop and open the photo you want to analyze. Use the crop tool to crop out any unnecessary background. You will want your cropped photo to show the plant on a uniform background. It's important not to have any green present in the photo other than the plant, as this will cause error later on. Our next step is to select all of the plant pixels. To do this, go to the upper left corner and click Select, then click Color Range. The Color Range box will pop up. Using this eyedropper tool, you can click anywhere in the photo and all the pixels that are the same color tone as where you clicked will be selected. If you click on another location, you'll see that your selection of pixels changes. We want all the green pixels selected, so find a part of the plant to click on. Then change to the eyedropper tool with the plus sign. Instead of changing the selection with each click, the plus sign eyedropper adds to your existing selection. So go ahead and click on different parts of the plant with the plus sign eyedropper tool until all of the plant is selected. The sliding bar up here is for fuzziness. If you drag the bar to the right to increase the fuzziness, then more pixels will be added to your selection. To make sure you have all of the color tones of the plant selected, slide the fuzziness bar to the right and stop it just before the unwanted areas of the photo become selected. Now that you have all of the plant pixels selected, press OK to finalize your selection. Now we will find the number of pixels in our selection. To do this, we will use the histogram, which you can open by going to Windows and clicking on Histogram. If you see a triangle error symbol, then you need to click on the refresh button to update the histogram. The number of pixels in your selection is recorded in the bottom left-hand corner of the histogram box. If you don't see the numbers at the bottom, then click on this button in the upper right-hand corner and make sure Show Statistics is selected. Our final step is to convert the number of pixels into physical units of area, such as inches squared or centimeters squared. To do this, you will need to measure the number of pixels of an object in the photo of which you know the real-world dimensions. In this photo, I cut a piece of paper to be 5 centimeters squared. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select the object. And like before, open the histogram box and find the number of pixels. Now let's perform the conversions in Excel. We'll enter the pixel values that we got in Photoshop for a reference area, which is the 5x5 square, and for the plant. We're solving for leaf or plant area, so we're going to follow the equation in bold, which tells us that the leaf area is equal to the reference area times the pixel value of our plant divided by the pixel value of the reference area. And there you have it. We are estimating the leaf area of our plant to be 79.66 centimeters squared. This concludes part 1 of the tutorial. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll run this process on a whole batch of photos, and I'll give you some tips for taking consistent, good quality photos.